So Ulka, I wanted to know first your relationship with your acting. मतलब when you started it, when you discovered अरे यार ये तो मेरी cup of tea है, ये मैं ही पीऊंगी. This is mine world. I will explore that. So when you got that spark?
Hello Hyderabad, అందరికి నమస్కారం.
Wow.
I'm your Ulka Gupta.
And she's in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know me as your Jhansi Rani
Yes.
from ZTV. You know me as Chinna Rudramadevi.
हाँ, वो भी.
You know me as your Andhra Pori.
Yes.
And a lot of my other projects from Telugu.
Great
So
profile
proud,
she has.
so proud and happy and grateful to be a part of it. And thank you. My first inspiration came from my dad.
Okay.
My father is an actor. చాలా హిందీలో పని చేస్తారు. So he ran away from his ఊరు just to become an actor at the age of 15. So anyway,
I
when
came to know from where you got aggressive blood now.
I guess the aggression is from the
Yes.
Bihari bloodline.
Yes, true.
So very proud to be. And I'm born and raised in Mumbai.
Yes.
Very lucky for that also. So पापा को मैं बचपन से देखती थी. I used to see he's going on sets, acting वगैरह, and I just knew he's an actor. So उन्होंने हमें एक्टिंग की तालीम भी दी थी. हम 3 बच्चे हैं.
Teen
Me,
sisters or like
2 sisters.
one brother?
I'm the eldest one, and then I have a brother who's a year younger to me, and then a sister who's 3 years younger to us. We were all child actors in the starting.
Wow.
That also has a story. So मैं बहुत पापा को देखती थी. पापा हमें सेट पे लेकर जाते थे शूटिंग के वक्त भी. कुछ एक फैसिनेशन था, मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. मैं देखकर सोचती थी कि मैं कब कैमरे के आगे आऊंगी, मुझे कब मौका मिलेगा. और पापा को शूटिंग करते हुए देखती थी. मुझे लगता आई थिंक आई हैड इट इन माय ब्लड. इट सीम्स I was always inclined towards it.
Okay.
And one day I told my papa that.
What was your age when you were telling him?
6.
Oh,
At the age of 6.
6?
Ah.
You were telling I want to be an actor.
అందుకే I think blessing కదా నాకు.
Yes.
నా నాన్న is an actor. He
Ah.
gave us the acting ka talim.
Oh.
అంటే ఏంటి basics. Confidence was naturally there.
Okay.
And he was like, कैसे मम्मी पापा करते हैं.
Yeah.
गेस्ट आएंगे तो पोएम सुनाना ऐसा
Yes,
सुनाना.
yes.
So
They used to give you encouragement then.
my dad used to write poems, different
Wow.
poems, और he used to write some scripts.
Oh.
And इसलिए मेरे गेस्ट आने वाले हैं, उनके सामने हर एक बच्चा को एंटरटेन करना है.
That's a good exposure.
So that was a way we had to face people,
audience,
perform in front of them. That was our theater at home. So kudos to my dad actually. His name is Gagan Gupta and I'm a proud daughter of an actor. So he's not like I won't say we are stars or anything. He wasn't.
You're actors,
So
man.
we're actors.
Actors
We're
are
an
stars.
artist. तो उन्होंने बोला कि यार I can't get you an acting gig directly because you're my daughter. You'll of course have to go through the audition process kada. You'll have to. If you get clicked, you'll get it. So मैं पापा को देखती थी कि वो एक एक्टर की लाइफ ही ऐसी होती है यार. I mean हर महीने सैलरी नहीं मिलती. एक आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ ऐसी होती है. यू हैव टू गेट योर गिग्स, यू हैव टू क्रिएट, यू हैव टू जस्ट. सो ही यूज्ड टू गो फॉर आई एम टेलिंग यू लाइक 20 ऑडिशंस अ मंथ. जहाँ पता चलता था. आजकल तो ऑडिशंस हैव बिकम ऑनलाइन.
So easy,
you know? बट तभी तो वी यूज्ड टू हैव दिस फोटोग्राफ्स और हर जगह प्रोडक्शन हाउस में देना पड़ता था.
मॉर्निंग निकले रात को आए.
लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, मैं भी पापा को कॉपी करती थी स्कूल के बाद. मम्मी के साथ BST बस में बैठ के कभी वर्सोवा जाना, कभी अंधेरी जाना, all these places.
Yeah, you have really struggled.
But I enjoyed it.
So that struggle of your auditions,
I will thank my mom that this as being a normal housewife के अलावा भी she took me everywhere. My dad took me everywhere. I gave auditions. और तो as a kid only I started struggling. तो मेरा ये होता था कि 10 जगह ऑडिशन दूंगी तो एक जगह तो सिलेक्ट हो ही जाऊंगी ना शायद, या शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाऊंगी. So I never gave up. And करते at the age of 7 GD Majid.
You started from 6 years going to the auditions and इतना peaceful. You were not a naughty child.
स्कूल में मन नहीं लगता था.
I
was very naughty. रिसेस होते ही मेरा मन नहीं, मेरे फर्स्ट क्लास से मैं होल्ड करके रखती थी टिफिन कि रिसेस होगा मैं लेके भागूंगी.
मतलब वही भागने की आदत पहले से ही थी.
बहुत.
But for auditions you are going, that's great. Traveling and coolly you are going because your focus was very clear.
That clarity is very important kada. Like
7
what you
years
want in
you
life.
were clear.
That's why I just say thank you God, thank you. You just told me what I exactly want.